So on to page 2. We're going to factor now. Factoring is just taking an expanded polynomial and going backwards. Polynomial, it's got a number of terms. Each term has the variable, in this case x, to a different exponent. So we've got x squared, x, and then the plus 1. That's the polynomial. We got here from FOIL. And if we remember that the first, outer, inner, last, when the number in front of the x squared is just a 1, we got to this number here by multiplying the last term in each bracket. So for example, if we had x, the numbers that went here and here, the last two numbers would multiply together to give 1. So we could say, if we can, for example, x plus a, x plus b, we know that a multiplied by b is equal to 1. Now our middle term came from the outer and the inner terms. If this isn't familiar to you, you should watch the other two videos, but we had an x times a b from the outer and an a times an x from the inner, and a times x plus b times x when added together gives us 2x, so we know that a plus b equals 2. So this is the sort of detective work that we need to do to figure out what a and b are. Now in this case it's fairly straightforward. Two numbers that add together to give 2 and multiply together to give 1 must be 1 and 1. They must both be positive, because when we add them we get plus 2, because this is a plus 2x. So we know that the factored form here is most likely going to be x plus 1, x plus 1. We're going to check the answer by foiling it. First, outer, inner, last. My first term, x times x, is x squared. Outer, x times plus 1 plus x. Inner, plus 1 times x plus x. Last, plus 1 times plus 1 gives us plus 1. So collecting like terms, which are the x and the x, we have x squared plus 2x plus 1. Check, check, check. X squared, check, check, check. And these match, so this must be our answer.